Hey guys, what's up? So I know last few times I've been to Mason, I've done a retirees video. So here's another one. This time around, we've got a few new additions. We've got bus number 9, which was replaced with a 2027 C2. I believe this 9 is either a 2015 or a 2016. I can't remember. Let's see what that ID number is. Yeah. I think 2015 based off of that, which is also what 96 over here is another 2015 CE, also replaced with a 2027 C2. These two, from what I know, have blown engines. 126 was here last time, but it is a 2008, I do believe. We have 68, which I think is a 2011, maybe a 2012. I'm not 100% sure on that, but pretty much same basic specs as a lot of their older CEs. This one had the rear end redone at some point, so yeah. The one right here is 61, and that is another 2008. I believe it was a part of the order that 126 was in. So this would have originally had visors and microphone, external PA. I think they have one of those 08s left that still has the microphone on it. This is 124. I believe that should be an 07. Let's see. Yep, 124. Pretty much the same specs as 68. The 08s had white roofs and window tint, which is a little different. There's the back. Then we'll do the driver's side. So I was out here taking auction photos today. So a lot of these are going to get listed, I do believe. And then the ones with blown engines, I think they're sending to some type of training facility where they cut out buses for like firefighters and stuff, if I understood correctly. 49 here is a 2010. So, as well as 51 because they're sister buses. So pretty much the same specs here. 51 has not had its stuff sprayed over yet, so that'll be something. Yeah, there's the back of 49, back of 51. You can see it was redone. The retirees aren't as exciting. It's now all CEs, and it's going to be all CEs for a while since all their C2s are relatively new. Then here's the front of 51. 37 here is a 2007 like 124. Nothing too special. Just a 2007 Ohio CE 300. See, they singled out the duals. And then back here, back of the bus. Driver's side of the bus. Next door to us, we got 35, which I think 35 is a 2011 or possibly a 2012. So, as you can see, they took parts. So I think this hood, based off of 86 being written right here, that hood probably came from 86. Probably had some kind of little accident or something, so they swapped the hoods. But that's 35. Or that 86 has nothing to do with it, and it just was in an accident. I don't know. But there's 35. Like I said, I think that's a 2011. Go back here. There's the back of 35. This is 85, which is a lift bus. I think 85 would also be a 2011 or somewhere in that range, because there was two of these, 85 and 86. I think 86 is still in service. 85 was replaced with a 2027 C2 handy bus. And there's the driver's side. Like I said, 126 was here last time. They've just been using it for storage and parts. And then here's the back of 85. And then we go back to 9 and 96. So that's pretty much the retirees update over here. Just more CEs. A few years ago, there would have been All-Americans, a Vision, but now they're to the point where they're retiring all their CEs. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. And yeah.